Good morning, class. Myself Pooja Kushwaha, and I am your science teacher. On Monday, we have done the keywords of lesson 1, that is food. Where does it come from? Explanation we have done very earlier, and on Tuesday, we have done the question answer. Let's do some exercises that is left from us, which is match the column and fill in the blanks. I hope you all have done this as your homework in your book. I'm also going to fill in the book. You have to copy this in your copy after filling the book. While you are filling the book, please use pencils. Don't use pens, so that if there is any mistake or any error, you can correct it. By the pen, it is not possible. Okay, it looks dirty. So we have done the keywords and question answer. Now come on the match the items given in the column A with that in the column B. Okay, first milk, curd, paneer, ghee. It should be matched with the all these things are animal products. All are animal products. Okay, but in the copy, don't do like this. You have to write milk, curd, paneer and ghee in column A, and the column B in front of this write all are animal products, like here, all are animal products. Got it? Now next one is spinach, cauliflower, carrot are vegetables. So these are vegetables, are vegetables. So you can write spinach, cauliflower, carrot are vegetables. Okay. Third, lions and tigers. It should be matched with the first one. Eat other animals. Eat other animals. So lions and tigers eat other animals likewise. And last is herbivores. Eat plants and plant products. So it should be matched like this. Okay, clear? Milk, curd, paneer, ghee all are animal products. Spinach, cauliflower, carrot are vegetables. Lions and tigers eat other animals. Herbivores eat plants and plant products. Okay, if you are not clear to you all, I'm making nearer to you all. Correct? You can take the screenshot of it also. Thank you. Next is fill up the blanks with the words given. You have some helping words also, so we have to fill this in the blank. Let's read the fill up so we can choose which one is coming the first one. First of all, we will read all the fill ups. Okay, first one is tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. Means animal which eat only meat or flesh. What they are called? Think. Let's come on the second. Deer eats only plant products, and so it is called same as animals which eat only plant and plant products. What they are called? Next, parrot eats only dash products. What do parrot eat? The dash that we drink which comes from the cows, buffaloes and goats is an animal product. What we drink which comes from cows? We get sugar from dash. Let's fill up. Let's do these fill ups. Tiger is a carnivore. Why? Because it eats only meat. So answer will be carnivore. And the spelling is CARNIVORE. Next, deer eats only plant products, and so it is called herbivore. HERBIVORE, herbivore. Okay. Next, parrot eats only dash products. It should be plant product, because you know that parrot eat like chili, fruits. So these are plant products. Plant products. The dash that we drink, it should be milk. We get milk from the cows, buffaloes and goats now. So the milk that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes and goat, is an animal product. And the last one, we get sugar from sugarcane. Sugar cane. SUGARCANE, sugar cane. You have to do this exercise also in your copy. Please do it right now and send me a pic so I can check. And also this fill up. If it is not clear to you, I'm bring nearer so you can take the screenshot, and it is easy to write in your copy. Thank you. Let's summarize the chapter, or let's revise the chapter, so that you have a quick recall. Summary is given here. There is a lot of variation in the food eaten in different regions of India. I have told you earlier, like in South Indians, they eat sambar, vada, idli, dosa. In our North Indian, we eat chapati, dal, rice, curry, chili, chutney, pickles. So there are variations. The main sources of our food are plants and animals. The food that we get come from the plants and animals, mostly from the plants, but animals product is also we use in our food. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. We have read it about many times, so it is clear to you all. Herb means plants, vor means eating animals, means which animals which eat only plant are called herbivores. Same as animals which eat only animals are called carnivores. Carni means flesh, vores means eating animals. Same as flesh eating animals are called carnivores. Third, animals which eat both plants as well as other animals are called omnivores. Omni means two or both. So here animals eat both plants as well as other animals. So it is called omnivores. Examples are clear to you all. Herbivores, examples are cow, goat, buffalo, deer, etc. Same as carnivores, tiger, lion, all these are carnivores, mainly wild animals. Third, animals which eat both plants and as well as other animals like bear, crow, humans. Okay. And these keywords are also clear to you all. I have explained so many times. So now it is time to homework. First thing is, if our first chapter has been completed today, means we have done everything in the first chapter, whole the explanation part, keyword, summary, exercises, everything. You have to do keyword and question answer and exercises in your copy in proper handwriting, in the fair copy in proper handwriting, so that I can check easily. Now come on the homework. This homework you have done, some are done very beautifully. Thank you class that you are attending so much. Now about the today's class, in this chapter we have read about the herbivore, carnivore and omnivore so many times. So I want to you all to find some herbivore, carnivore and omnivore pictures. You can paste them in your copy. If it is hard to find the pictures, you can draw a herbivore, a carnivore and a omnivore in the blank side of your copy. Science copy is interleaved na, so blank side of copy you have to draw a herbivore, a carnivore and a omnivore. Okay, Thank you for watching, students. See you tomorrow.